Welcome to Bokashi Bran, where craftsmanship meets innovation. Join us behind the scenes to witness the creation of our exceptional, authentic Bokashi. Our skilled team ensures every detail is crafted with precision, making each Bokashi brand a testament to our dedication. Certified by EMRO, the Effective Microorganisms Research Organization in Japan, we proudly use 100% wheat bran, avoiding fillers for superior effectiveness. It's not just a job, it's a commitment to a sustainable future. We bring joy to customers by not only delivering high-quality products, but also contributing to a green world. Bokashi Bran is your avenue to a more eco-friendly and sustainable kitchen. Thank you for choosing Bokashi Bran, where your passion for sustainability fuels the green future we all want to live in.